Let's go around the world, just you and me, we can see it all. Let's go and live our dream, just you and me through an open door. Live life to the full. Can we try find a way to that place we've seen in magazines? Let's see if there's something more, something beyond these city walls. Live life to the full. What are we waiting for? Just you and me forevermore. Let's go around the world, just you and me, we can see it all. I'm coming home now, a change of season. I feel it's time to leave everything behind us. I miss the ocean, a place of healing. I miss the way that place would make me feel inside.
A lot of pointing in that direction, yeah.
This life's a journey, it's made me who I am. So let's embrace it and turn the page, my friend. Don't regret it, it opened up my world. Starting over, back where I belong. Now I'm home, I feel like I'm letting go. I know I needed change, 'cause now I'm home, I feel like I'm moving on in time. I hope you'll feel the same. I'm coming home now, down the highway. This town I thought I'd stay in never felt the same. The sun is shining, it's what I needed. It's taken me some years, but now I'm on my way. Now I'm home, I feel like I'm letting go. I know I needed change, 'cause now I'm home, I feel like I'm moving on with time. I hope you'll feel the same. Now I'm home, I feel like I'm letting go. I know I needed change, 'cause now I'm home, I feel like I'm moving on with time. I hope you'll feel the same. I'm coming home now, a change of season.
Where does it say smugglers? Where does it say it? Where does it say smugglers? Ah, there's smugglers.
It says horseradish king right there.
I'm really not really that hot.
Yeah, you're blinking a lot, Johnson. It's not that hot. It's not that hot.
I've had hotter.
How you doing? Your face is pretty red right now, Johnson.
What's so funny? What's so funny, guys?
Great job.
Is something funny?
So yeah, you do.
It's intense.
Yeah, give that a whirl. Take a big deep breath.
Thanks, ladies.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Give me some water.
Okay.
Wow. I'll wake you up.
Now
you should try the mustard.
I'm awake
Oh, yeah,
now.
try the mustard.
Oh,
Oh, that's true.
careful with that, guys.
Yeah, careful.
You need a microscope to see how much she's taking.
I feel bad if somebody just like.
I put a lot on it when I did
I had a
it.
big dollop. Like I'm crying.
Yeah.
Is that enough?
Wow. That made my
Big deep breath.
my eye water a little bit. That was great.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my. Oh, it's still going.
There was a lady in here yesterday. She took a big
Big-
scoop.
yeah.
And
Oh,
she
no.
She was sitting actually right there.
Oh no.
Is anyone puke?
How's the mustard?
The mustard's good. It's
That
not,
is
it's not
powerful.
as...
Yeah.
Hey, doesn't that make you want garlic?
Oh man, I got a whiff of that already.
See if you can do it with
You got a
straight
woof of it.
face.
Smugglers.
Oh.
I want to do that again. That was fun.
Oh, I'm tearing up pretty good right now. That was, I think I did a lot more 2 years ago. That one died down a lot quicker than
Yeah,
than
it did
before.
really quick. You're gonna get a big
Okay.
spoonful.
Oh. It's like I try to keep a straight face, but then I breathe.
I know.
It just breaks off.
Yeah, the big.
Jenny, are you gonna do it?
I did it last time and it was pretty awful, so I'm gonna do
No,
this.
you gotta
this
do
time.
it, Jenny. We've all done it. We've all done it, Jenny. Wait, Johnson's doing it one more time.
Okay, take care.
Just lock eyes.
So she's with Thank you guys. How was your lunch?
Man, I teared up from the mustard just now.
For punishment, aren't you?
Straight face. Straight face.
Oh man. It was like I took a mega.
I know what you guys are talking about.
It's not that.
Oh, so you can get like right on the tip of your tongue and like really hurts.
Yeah.
Nice, Jenny.
I think it's good for your stomach.
I understand why they
So good amount?
a little straw,
I think so.
not like a spoon.
Good amount?
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's perfect.
Deep breath now, Jenny.
It's so addicting.
Oh, it was like burning my tongue. I put it right on the tongue.
Yeah, yeah. Your eyes are getting a little glassy.
What shot would or what little beer thing do you want to try?
We wanted to go to the casino.
Did he say that?
Yeah, we want me to buy.
Oh my god.
We've got tabs. Thank you, Jason.
You're not having a good time.
Yeah.
That's no fun. Oh, I won a cherry. We're the winners.
Winners
I
in the
won!
world. How much, Jenny?
Cherry.
$1.